Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the pre-market pulse scan. Today is Take Back Friday, August the 11th, 2017. The time is 10 minutes after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Looking at the live news feed, a bunch of stuff, but not important. So we'll make that small. Let's jump into the overnight. Dow futures climbed a whopping 32 points off of those support lows of 21,790. We're standing at 21,868. NASDAQ is up a gargantuan amount of points. It's up 8 points right now, trading at 57.97. The E-mini S&P it hasn't moved as hard, but it's moved an amazing 5 points. Right now, up 5.5 points at 24.43, and the Russell just a parabolic upward move. It's up 3.6 points at 1373.70. Now, for those who are uninitiated, you probably did not catch the sarcasm in my voice because I'm a professional. I does this. Going to gold. Gold is down a buck, trading at 12.89 after hitting 1298.1. So we've come within $2 of the 1300 target that I talked to you about. Silver is down 12.5 cents to $16.94 after climbing to $17.19.5. Crude oil down 22.5 cents at $48.37.5. The long bond holding steady at 155 even, and it's pretty much flat. It's down 10/32 after hitting 155.29. Looking at the soybeans, we're up $5.75 at 9.46. And let's see. The euro is up 41 pips at 118.33. Still powerful as long as it's above that 118 handle. The pound down 14 pips at 129.81, and the Aussie is down 6 pips at 78.81. And the dollar is weaker at 93.19. We did go into the 92 handle briefly, 92.99, but has since bounced from there. All right, so really, it was quiet. It's not a lot going on, folks. The big news was in the Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit, what was it, 3,500, I think? 3,500. Let's see. Let us see here. Give me a moment. I'm going to pull it up. Just bear with me. Keep your Bitcoin on, okay? I'm gonna pull it up. I got you. You ain't got to go nowhere. I got you. All right, so where are we on this index? Okay, here we are. We hit 35.45 and 58 cents, up 3.34% right now. All right. I'm desperately trying to get some more coinage, but as far as data vendors go, they're struggling to keep up too. You got about 1,000 coins out there right now, with more coming every day. New ICOs every day, and I can't put all 1,000 of them things on there. I'm looking for the ones that I think are going to be the last dude standing when the dust settles. Once again, I believe that's going to be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Steam, and Veritasium. Dash and Ripple may be thrown in there too. We will see. All right, we will see. I know I get a lot of inquiry about Dash and Ripple, so I've added Dash and Ripple only because I was able to. I would have added some others, but the data flows is slow coming, just to let y'all know. The data that I need is slow coming. I got an incredible source right now. I think the best source I've been able to find anywhere, thanks to one of our trading room subscribers, but and I think it's the most reliable. So I just have to be patient and wait for them to add these other sources so that I can, deal with other areas on the blockchain, which would be great. But for now, that's what we got. We have 7 right now to choose from on the weekly pulse wave price triggers. And so for now, that should be enough. I mean, you got 7, and really 6, because even though Veritasium's on there, I don't really count that because I'm still trying to figure out the in and outflows of it. It's hard because it's not on a major exchange and it's so black box. It's not open source like the other stuff, where it's easier to get the data that I need and to manipulate said data. Can't do that with Veritasium. It's just hard body karate. So I got it on there for now. You know, you guys can play around with it, see if you can use it, even though it's done in Ethos right now. So I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. All right, moving right along. Let's see. Let's jump into the price triggers for today. All right. If you look at today, we got what we got. It's a quiet day. Everyone knows the rules. For those of you who are not part of the premium Black Ops trading room, generally, I say generally, okay, all rules have exceptions to it, but generally, like the General Lee, I do not initiate new open positions on Friday because Friday is typically Take Back Friday. So you're seeing a little bit of bounce this morning in the U.S. equities as far as the futures are concerned, because the equity market hasn't opened yet. But you will probably see a continuation upside today. But if not, you can put another leg down too. But I'm going to let the dust settle, let the market do what it do. Today's closing prices are going to be key, all right, going forward for next week. We'll see who has momentum for next week and who don't. All right, with that being said, let's look at some rally alerts we got today. All right, key rally alerts today. Actually, the one on the top of the list is the U.S. dollar. U.S. dollar has a rally alert today, so does crude oil. We'll see if they can get it going. Natural gas, too. Let's see, BITCF, which is non-tradable for us now. But hey, it was fun while it lasted. We caught the pop. The system called it for you, so you can liquidate those trades at profit today if you so desire. We got a rally alert in Dust. We got a rally alert in Ethereum. We got a rally alert in GDXJ. The Dow Transport, ticker IYT. Let's see here. JDST and JNUG have rally alerts. JDST has both rally and crash alert, so it's at a crossroads to see what it's going to do. It's been broken for so long. Litecoin has a rally alert. Nugget has a rally alert. Let's see. Silver miners, SIL and SILJ. Steam has a rally alert. UGAS, UNG, USLV, UUP, US Steel, and Dry Ships has an oversold alert. Haven't talked about dry ships in a while. All right, so let's see what else we got. Let's go over to the crashes now. All right, a lot of crash alerts. Of course, the Dust and the GDXJ and the JDST both have rally and crash alerts. They've been broken for a long time. A lot of securities that are broken in the way that the price action is behaving will get both positive and negative signals because the price action's almost always at a crossroad and trying to, pick a direction basically. All right, so we got, let's see, AutoZone has a crash alert today. What else is new? The S&P 500 cash index has a crash alert. So does the E-mini S&P 500. So does the E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. Silver futures have a crash alert today. Uh-oh. Are the central banks going to come in and smash it? Let's see. The euro currency futures has a crash alert. So does the Dow futures. So does Apple. So does Cone. Oh boy. All right. Let's see here. GDX has a crash alert. All right. GameStop has a crash alert. Say it ain't so, GameStop. GameStop's been in these low 20s forever, it seems like. So I'm not impressed by that, but they should be able to get their money up because we got some incredible titles coming out next month, which is the month of my birthday. Yay! We got NBA 2K coming out next month, Madden 18 coming out next month, so that they should catch a boost from that at least. All right, and EA Sports also. I don't think I have that on my in play tab. I may need to add EA Sports. All right, Goldman Sachs has a crash alert. So does Intel. So does the Coal ETF, KOL, Knick-Knack, Paddywhack. Nintendo has a crash alert. Crude oil futures has a crash alert. Everything has crash alerts today. Everything's crashing today. We'll see. Let's see. Bank of America, Chipotle, JP Morgan, the financial sector, XLF. And of course, last but not least, the XIV has a crash alert. All right. That's a lot of crash alerts for a Friday. Let's see what happens. Now, I have to say, for those of you who follow the Vulcan Report but are not initiated in the Black Ops Premium Trading Room, understand that rally and crash alerts at times tend to lead the market 3 to 5 bars out. So if you're looking at a weekly chart, it could be 3 to 5 weeks out. If you're looking at a daily chart, it could be 3 to 5 days out. All right, for now, for the purposes of this video, I'm using the weekly. All right, so meaning that if we don't get the manifestation of said alerts today, then we carry it over into next week. All right, and we'll see if these alerts still exist after today's close. All right, so that's just what that is. All right, so those are the notables for today. Other than that, there's a plethora of news out there. You may want to take time to catch up on any news you missed throughout the week. For those of you who also don't know, I combined and re-uploaded the "There Is No Collapse" documentary. You probably want to do yourself a favor if you have not seen the documentary. Go ahead and see it. All right, I have all 11 parts combined into one total full video now. Yeah, it's 5 hours long, but so what? And if you missed the Fed versus the blockchain documentary, you're gonna want to peep that too. So I'm gonna try to play around with the YouTube channel over the weekend, see if I can reorganize and make things easier to find. Um, so we'll see if I'm successful or not. With that being said, come on over to pulsewavetrading.com, learn how to trade these markets, navigate these markets, understand these markets, learn what it is we do and how we do it, learn the secrets to successful investing that the central banks do not want you to know. Sign up today, enroll in our Learning Academy. All right. New classes are forming, and you need to come on and sign up today. When you subscribe to the weekly Pulse Wave price triggers, you get free admission to the Learning Academy. That means all the classes in the Learning Academy are free, and every tutorial or new book or study course or trading course that I come out with will be free for subscribers. All right, meaning you don't have to pay. So you get a whole bunch of goodies. Also, other things that I don't even need to mention in this video, most of which is access to yours truly. When you're in the trading room, you can reach out and touch someone. You got traders from all over the world. You have me there to guide you and all that good stuff. And most importantly, you have the pulse wave price triggers. That means you have something that the majority of people out there do not have. And that's the keys to the city, to know what's coming and how and what you're going to do about it to profit. So with that being said, remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back to these greedy central banksters. Peace. Oh, and have a good weekend. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a splendid weekend. I'm out. Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the pre-market PULSESCAN. Today is Take Back Friday, August the 11th, 2017. The time is 10 minutes after 9 a.m. Eastern Standard. Whopping 32 points off of those support lows of 21,790. We're standing at 21,868. NASDAQ is up a gargantuan amount of points. It's up 8 points right now, trading at 50.6 points at 1373.70. Now, for those who are uninitiated, you probably did not catch the sarcasm in my voice because I'm a professional. I does this. Going to gold. Gold is down a buck, trading at 1289.97. The E-mini S&P it hasn't moved as hard, but it's moved an amazing 5 points. Right now, up 5.5 points at 24.43, and the Russell just a parabolic upward move. It's up 3 points. Time. Looking at the live news feed, bunch of stuff, but not important. So we'll make that small. Let's jump into the overnight. Dow futures climbed a